Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So today I'm doing a review on a new nail dip company called Sparkle & Co. They have the most beautiful colors, you guys. Oh my gosh. They sent me this amazing package. I'm going to show you what it comes with. I'm going to put it on my nails, demo it for you guys. If you have not jumped on the at-home dip bandwagon, I encourage you to check out how to do this. It is super easy. It'll save you lots of money and save you the hassle of trying to go to that nail salon every 2 weeks. So when you order from Sparkle & Co., they will send you directions, but I encourage people to watch videos, read the directions, but watch some tutorials. There's tons here on YouTube, and it'll just give you a better idea of actually how to do it, tips and tricks. So let's just jump right into this little tutorial, and at the very end I will show you how to sign up for their monthly subscription and a bunch of other good information. So as you just seen, I just ran through filing my nails, getting them the right shape, and buffing them to take the shine off. And you don't have to use a drill, just typical nail files you get from Sally's, Amazon, whatever works. So I decided to go in with this beautiful lavender color. It is gorgeous, you guys. So the very first step is to apply the base bond. This is what makes the powder stick to your nails. Now, you should just apply this very carefully your first couple of times. And I'm going to show you just a little trick because these jars that they sent me in the subscription box were a teensy bit smaller. So if you have longer nails, it's a little harder to just dip them in there. So I just poured it. And then I just take the wood cuticle pusher sticks and just go around the cuticle area and the side of the nails just in case I got any on that. This has been a game changer. When I started doing this, they looked a lot more neat and professional-like. So then I'm just going to dump the rest of that powder into the cupcake liner, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it in just a second. So I do about 3 dips. I do 1 finger at a time, paint the nail, and then I'm going to pour the powder with the cupcake liner. This is super easy and helps you not make your nails super thick as well. After you do each nail, go back over it with that wood stick. This will make your nails a lot prettier, trust me. And then let them set for a little bit after you dip, and then brush the powder off. So when I'm done, I just dump all the powder back in there versus just letting it fall over the mat and waste it. Now I left 1 finger blank, and I'm going to use this beautiful sparkly color. Now this is pretty chunky, so you got to do a little bit different technique with this. Apply your base bond. I only had to do like 1 dip of this stuff because it is chunky and it's a little bit thicker. And then I just kind of press my nail into that, and then after that I'm going to pat and kind of smooth those chunks down. I don't know what happened to the video coloring right here. I've seen people put a little plastic baggie and then tap it on, which is probably a better idea so you don't get that sticky stuff on your finger. Probably should have done that, but anyway, now I'm going to go over the chunky glitter nail with more base bond, and I'm going to use a clear dipping powder. Now this is just so when I buff and file, it does not scratch the glitter. It does not take any of the shine from the glitter away. I didn't do any more of the clear on any other nail, just the chunky glitter. So it will kind of scare you at first, but I assure you it'll be nice and shiny after you're all done with everything. Now after you've got all your nails dipped, we're going to seal them with this solidify. So this is kind of like step 2 in this process. The dipping is 1, this is 2. And then I'm going to let that dry for 1 minute. After that's dry, I'm going to file my nails just how I want them and then buff just to make them all nice and smooth. Now some of my nails are chipped, that's why they're a really weird shape, so I didn't want to cut them down short and start over because I worked really hard growing them out, so they're just a weird shape right now, but it's okay. So after you get done filing, you're going to wash your hands with water only, dry them completely, and then you're going to solidify them once again. So it's like you double seal it. After I let that dry for about 30 seconds, I'm going to go straight into my glossy coat. Now I did have a little trouble with the bottles. One of the bottles leaked. This bottle, the lid would not come off, so I just had to kind of use the little small part, I guess. But I do 2 coats of the gloss, and then I try to wait as long as I can before I touch anything so it's nice and dry. So there are the nails. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. They look just like the swatches they sent, and I was very happy with everything. Everything applied great, smoothly, and I will definitely be ordering from them Again, I want to talk a little bit about their subscription program that they have. They send out really cute stuff, you guys. Like, here's just an example of a monthly subscription, kind of like the subscription makeup boxes that you do. You sign up for a monthly program where you pay a fee and they send you just new stuff. So it's a great way to build a collection. Now, when you go on their website, make sure you click from the shop tab, because if you click the picture, it won't bring it up. So click the shop tab, click subscription box, and it'll kind of show you 3 different options. I just went to their subscription bags that they have, and it lists all the details right here, how to sign up, the different priced packages that they have. They have like the lower end that's $29.99, and I think the higher end around $88 per month. So a little expensive, but if you're really wanting to start building up, then maybe that's a good option for you. If you don't want to sign up for a subscription, you can just go and buy a couple of powders. Also, they have an amazing Facebook group that you can go on and ask questions, you can ask for help, you can see inspiration from other people. I really love their Facebook group. All the links to their Facebook group, their website, Instagram will be down in the description box below. Make sure to check there. And I also have a coupon code for you guys. You can't use it on their subscription box, but you can use it on all other orders placed on their website. So that's pretty much it. I can't wait to order more colors from them. They are so pretty, and I will have some more tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.